I wanted to share with you today just one of my own personal experiences as a business owner. So I owned a small retail establishment, and as most of you know, the holiday season is really, really busy. Well, my coach at the time was telling me to raise my prices. And I was digging my heels in, and I said no, because I was afraid that I would be losing customers, especially at the holiday season. So I'll tell you a little tale. One time he pushed me enough that I went, okay, I'll do it and see what happens. So sure enough, I raised my prices about 10% or so right before the holidays. And the big fear that nobody would buy and nobody would come in and people would stop shopping with me, not a thing happened. Nobody said anything. So every year around the holidays, I raise my prices a little bit every year. And in the 8 years that I did that, not one soul said anything about it. Most people didn't even notice. So what is the lesson here for you? When was the last, if you're a retailer especially, when was the last time you raised your prices? This holiday season may be a great time to do it.